June 14, 1927, Dash consecrated a mirror with the message Om Shanti written on the surface in a temple in Kalawan Khode. A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, B. T. K. Madhavan, C. Sri Narayan Guru, D. Govindan Vadyar. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, श्री नारायण गुरु। The immediate cause of split in the INC at its Surat session was A. Election of the President of the INC, B. Expulsion of Tilak from the INC, C. Demand of Swaraj as the goal of INC, D. Resolutions on Swaraj, Swadeshi, boycott and national education. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, इलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द INC। Which of the following treaty ended the First Carnatic War? A. Salbai, B. Bassein, C. Aix-la-Chapelle, D. Paris. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, Aix-la-Chapelle। Which of the following was the newspaper of Annie Besant? A. The Hindu, B. Indian Express, C. The Times of India, D. New India. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, न्यू इंडिया। In the Battle of Buxar, the English army was commanded by A. Major Munro, B. Clive, C. Roger Drake, D. Boughton. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, मेजर मुनरो। The Sikhs were defeated by the English at Dash in 1856. A. Sobraon, B. Amritsar, C. Lahore, D. Kashmir. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, सोब्राउन। Which of the following was not included in the early three English settlements in India? A. Madras, B. The Punjab, C. Bombay, D. Calcutta. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, दी पंजाब। In which of the following tribal rebellions did two tribal brothers, Kanu and Sidhu, proclaim the end of the company's rule in their region, and to suppress their rebellion, the government had to use military force? A. Khasi rebellion in Assam 1855, B. Naika tribal uprising in Gujarat 1868, C. Munda rebellion in Ranchi 1899, D. Santhal rebellion in Bihar 1855-56. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, संथल रिबेलियन इन बिहार 1855-56। मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद started an Urdu weekly, The Al Hilal, in 1912, but on its being banned by the government, they founded Al Balag in 1913, 1914, 1915, 1916. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, 1913। My Experiments with Truth is the work of Mahatma Gandhi, published in 1901, 1902, 1906, 1946. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, 1906। The Battle of Balakot was in dash 1806, 1821, 1831, 1896. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, 1831। The immediate cause of the Battle of Plassey was A. The English attempts to strengthen their fortifications at Fort William, B. The English support and asylum to the political rivals of Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowlah. C. Misuse of dastaks, passes for free trade by the company and its officials. D. Siraj-ud-Dowlah's attack on Fort William and capture of Calcutta, Alinagar. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, सिराज उद दौला's अटैक ऑन फोर्ट विलियम एंड कैप्चर ऑफ कलकत्ता अलीनगर. In 1916, Mahatma Gandhi traveled to Dash to inspire the peasants to struggle against the oppressive plantation system. A Dandi, B Sabarmati, C Champaran, D Chori Chora. इसका राइट आंसर है सी चंपारण. Madam H. P. Blavatsky had laid the foundation of the Theosophical Society in the year 1853, 1864, 1875, 1886. इसका राइट आंसर है 1875. The second session of the Congress met in Calcutta on December 1886 under the presidency of Dash. A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Kadambini Ganguly, C. Firoz Shah Mehta, D. Evacha. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. दादाभाई नौरोजी. The interim government, which took office on September 2, 1946, was headed by A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Vallabhbhai Patel, D. C. Rajagopalachari. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. जवाहरलाल नेहरू. The National Liberal Federation was founded by A. S. N. Banerjee, B. Motilal Nehru, C. Abul Kalam Azad, D. Mrs. Annie Besant. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. एस. एन. बैनर्जी. The Pitt's India Act empowered the Governor General with a power of vote, B. A casting vote, C. The power to dismiss the council, D. The power to add more members to the council. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. ए कास्टिंग वोट. Which of the following was not of the achievements of the extremist group in the Congress? A. The partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911. B. The Calcutta Corporation Act and the Indian Universities Act were taken off the statute book. C. Nationalism took root among the progressive sections of society. D. The extremists taught people self-confidence and self-reliance and prepared the social base of the nationalist movement. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. द कैलकाटा कॉरपोरेशन एक्ट एंड द इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज एक्ट वर टेकन ऑफ द स्टैट्यूट बुक. Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das were the founder members of the A. Communist Party of India, B. Forward Bloc, C. Socialist Swarajist Party, D. Swaraj Party. इसका राइट आंसर है डी. स्वराज पार्टी.